Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Coding with Adine. In this video, I'm going to be continuing my costume stick figure thing. So if you hadn't watched last video, this is basically the continuation. And if you hadn't seen it right now, I recommend you hop off this video and go watch that first, then come back to this video. So what we're going to do, I already have this one made. And what we're going to do here is try to make the space, use any key to switch costumes. So when space key pressed, you go to looks, which you can go up, switch costume to costume 2, and then after that we go switch costume to costume 1. So you can just do this. But there's a bug that's not letting it switch for some reason. To costume 1. Oh, we have to put this in a repeat. I forgot. Forever. And now we should. So there's a bug obviously here. We're gonna switch costume to costume 2. After that, we're gonna make a broadcast, which is right here, broadcast. Broadcast switch. And after we have done this, we put broadcast switch under here. And then when I receive broadcast switch, so we're gonna have to take out the forever block for this one. We don't need it anymore. Take this out and then see message 1. No, oh, this is when I brought it. And then after we have to make it switch back to costume 2. Switch costume to costume 2. Why is this not dragging? Okay, so switch costume to costume 2. Okay, and now it works. So like and subscribe to the channel, and another 5 likes and I'll make part 3. Peace.